in ministry. So it says, blessed are those who mourn. I was like, God, what? Blessed are those who mourn. How am I blessed if I'm mourning? What do I have to mourn about? I don't think he's necessarily blessed as those who cry, or blessed as those who are like crybabies or anything. But I think it's saying like, blessed are those who, when I see other people, and I just want the heart to really see people and just mourn for a difference in the world. Not so much mourn about my problems, but just really like, so they're saying, blessed is mourn for they shall be comforted. And it's just like, I know that what I'm going to do and what I just want the really heart to like see the unseen and see people who are in this situation. I really want the heart for them, and I know God will comfort me for that, because it says, blessed are for those who mourn, for they shall see comfort, they shall be comforted. So that's cool. It says, blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. So it's again, blessed who have little, for they shall inherit the earth. And blessed for those who are hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they shall be satisfied.
Yeah.